hope you guys are doing well. This is Faiza. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I hem my jeans. This is a very quick tutorial. I hem my jeans all the time, mainly because of my height. It's actually a short girl problem, I guess, but I end up doing them all the time. And with this new trend that's been trending in for the past few years, where we were doing a lot of like these raw jeans or like frayed jeans, whatever, so I actually enjoy doing them as well, mainly because I don't actually have to spend more money buying those jeans, and I can just end up doing them for my jeans. So guys, let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. So guys, right now I'm actually standing in my room right now. I'm wearing the jeans that I'm gonna be hemming. So this is what I'm wearing right now. If your I guess jeans are really loose, I would suggest that you guys belt them so they stay in one place and you guys know where to hem them from. I'm pretty good with what I'm wearing. I think it fits for most of the part. It's just that I have to work on my hem here. So for hemming, guys, you just want to make sure that you're hemming them right above your ankles. So I feel like, so if my ankles are here, so I'm just gonna go up another inch, I guess, and that's how I'm gonna do it. So right now I'm just gonna show you the hemming part, so guys, keep watching. So guys, I've laid the jeans on my bed and I've already folded them, and the next question that you guys are gonna ask me is that these jeans are not hem. Yeah, so this is how I got the jeans to begin with. They're already raw jeans, but my problem is that they don't fit me. They're too long for me, and most of the jeans are like that for me, so they don't usually fit me, so I have to cut them anyway. But if I was doing jeans with hem, I would be doing it the exact same way. So what I've done is I've taken like a permanent marker and I've drawn, like, I haven't done like lines, but I've done like dots. I did a dot on both ends here, and then did 2 dots here. So that's just to make sure that I stay on the lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut them. So all I'm gonna do is just cut by the dots here. I'm just gonna draw 2 more dots here, I guess, just to make it easier for myself, and I'm gonna start cutting. Just make sure everything's flat. I know it's on a bed, but like it's pretty much lined up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the cutting. So guys, I put my camera on a tripod. I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting. So I'm gonna start from one end. So I'm gonna move the jeans around. Just wanna make sure you guys can still see this good. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut from one corner, and I wanna stop here. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop by the dot here. Okay, so once I touch that dot, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and start cutting this. Now guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with this side as well. So another thing, guys, I just want to make sure they look a little natural. So what I'm gonna do is, just using my fingers, I'm just gonna take the strings out a little, just so they look a bit more natural, and just, you know, looks like it's been done that way, I guess. I'm gonna take some of the strings out. There you go. So guys, this is a final look. This is how my jeans look after I've hemmed them. Again, this didn't have a hem, but if it did, I would do it exactly the same way, guys, because of my height, I end up doing it anyway. So this is literally how I look, and these actually look perfect. This is exactly the size I was looking for. And guys, again, if you guys have any questions, you guys can leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Also check out my Instagram in the description box below. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel. And guys, thank you for watching. See you guys next week. Bye.